So yeah. After XRP, there is Binance USD, so which is called BUSD. So what is BUSD? So BUSD is also a stable coin, just like Tether or USD coin, USDC coin. So basically, this stable coin is made by Binance themselves. Like Binance has, so basically the two coins. One is BNB, their own coin, and another is also their coin. BUSD is a stable coin which doesn't change its position from one dollar. Basically, you can exchange your dollar to BNB and you can trade other coins with BNB, like BTC per sorry, BTC per BUSD, not BNB. Yes, there are pairs of BNB too, but as BUSD is the stable coin, there are more pairs like BNB per BUSD, Ethereum per BUSD, or like um, BNB per BUSD, XRP per BUSD. Yeah, and just like saying there are USD pair, there are USDC pair too. Yeah. So BTC doesn't change. Sorry, BUSD doesn't change. It is basically one of the same. $1 past 1 hour, 0.05% change. Past 24 hours, 0.09% change. Past 7 days, past 7 is 0.202% change, right? Basically, it doesn't move. After BUSD, we have Cardano, which is also called as ADA. Cardano is also a very good coin. Cardano is currently sitting on $0.42, and the 1 hour changes are 0.21%, and for 24 hours the changes are 1.11% down, and for the 7 days, like for the week, it changed around 2.06%. If we go to the Cardano, I guess I'll not get it. Yeah, you see. So you can basically see these are the pairs. AUSD, which is the most Tether, which we already talked about, the stablecoin. There is PRP, this is your future. USD, this is the USDC. There are ADA USD, and there are ADA BTC also. Like there are BTC pair for ADC. There are BUSD, which you talk, the Binance stablecoin. Basically, we just check the USDT because most of the people trade in the USDC, and this is the most reliable stablecoin.